JCB 86C-2. It's a conventional tail swing. Got the backfill blade, fully enclosed cab, heat, air condition. It's got the auto throttle, LED lights on the boom and the front and rear of the cab. Things like new condition. Got a Kohler diesel in there. There's no blue juice and there's no regen where it gets so hot to regenerate the filter. Brand new deck of battery. This machine's in new condition. It's a lease return from JCB. 69 hours. You got a hydraulic thumb. Bucket does come with. Got a coupler on there. Quick coupler to run a jackhammer. Things like that.